Hi, welcome to Ballet Flowers. My name is Suzanne. Today I wanted to talk about how to plant a hanging basket. So I chose this 12-inch terracotta pot, and then I have a black reservoir that goes in the bottom that helps with drainage. The plastic holds in the moisture really well. And then I take my soil and fill it up to the rim. As I water, the soil will settle a little bit, so I want to consider that. And I want to make sure there's enough reservoir for the plants to grow. So I chose sweet potato vine, Caliente rose geranium, Estrella dark purple, verbena, and Noah Snow calibrachoa. So the textures together I thought would look really great. You have a bigger flower of the geranium and smaller flowers of the calibrachoa and the verbena. So I have 2 sweet potato vine, 2 calibrachoa, 2 verbena, and 1 geranium in the center. So I want to do a little divot with my finger, push it in, and everything is across from each other. So I'll have purple verbena, I'll have white snow calibrachoa, and I'll have the lime green of the sweet potato vine as another accent. So you can see the foliage accents each other, and then as it flowers, it will also accent each other. And then what I want to do is add a little bit of Osmocote to the top, and that just helps give a little fertilizer through the season, and it's a slow release fertilizer, so as it grows it'll get the nutrients it needs. And then I put my hanger on and I am all set to go. One of the things you want to consider is where would you put this, and I would put it in a full sun spot to a half a day of sun, maybe like 4 or 5 hours of sun to all day sun. And when I say 4 or 5 hours, it would have to be good direct sun for everything to grow nicely and overflow nicely. I find this size pot grows really nicely throughout the season, and there's many different combinations, but we always try to look at the foliage texture and the complement of colors as we go. The tags, I'll take these and I'll put them by one of the hangers down in. So then if you have a question on lighting or the plant, you can always pull it out or save it for the next year, and you know the combination that you like. I hope you enjoyed planting a hanging basket with me, and enjoy the day.